Put your feet on both pedals.
There you go.
All
Good
right.
Whoa!
job. It's okay. Here, let me help.
There you go.
Turn your wheel. Turn it. Turn it. Keep your legs on. No, baby, you just gotta turn the front. Okay, pedal.
She's going backwards.
Pedal.
All right.
You can do it. It's kind of hard on the carpet, huh? Go, go, go. Whee!
Yay, Sophia! Come over here, Dan Whitwit.
It's okay. Come on.
You got it.
You can do it. She's gotta get it right where the pedals are. Do the pedals, baby.
Put your feet on the pedals. There you go.
All right.
There, put your feet up.
Pedal to your Whitwit.
Pedal to you, Whitney.
Oh, ma'am.
Go.
Come here.
About 2 more
You
weeks,
can do it.
you're going to be doing circles.
You can do it. There you go.
Yeah.
Yay! Oh, move.
She's gonna
Excuse
do
me.
that. Turn.
Turn the wheel. There you go.
Now put your sit down and pedal. Help her over that road.
Sophia, how old are you? See, I'm not even 2 years old, and I'm already riding a
Good
bike.
job. Keep going. Turn your wheel. Turn your handles. Look, just turn your handles like this. That's all you gotta do. Turn. Keep them turned. Pedal. 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 You're gonna run into the refrigerator. There you go.
So this is going on YouTube for Gammy to watch, huh? Oh, I'm running into the building. Running into the wall.
It ought to not just be called Whitney Mode for the YouTube channel. It ought to be called the Sophia.
It is Sophia's channel. Don't go in the bathroom. Well, you can't go in the... Move, please. Okay. Are you going to go in the
You
bathroom?
don't use the potty. You did so good, sugar.
Here. Say hi, Gammy. Say hi, Gammy. You going to say hi to Gammy?
Brush it out. Okay.
Say hi, everyone. Hi. Oh, we can't see it. You want to look. Say hi. What, you see it? There's your bike. We're recording. Say bye-bye, everyone.
All right.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Make sure